Good evening, viewers. Today, our lesson is about how we can protect our CAD file without using any protecting software like folder lock, any others, this kind of software. For this one, for this tutorial, I have one file. I will open it. This without any password. So what we need to do, guys, we have to go in file, and I will make it safe as in my desktop, and I will write its name like project, and then we need to go here in tools, security options, and we need to type here the password. Again we need to select OK, confirm password. So we'll type same password and simply hit OK, and I will save this file, and let's reopen this file again. I will go in file, open, and my project. Okay guys, you can see it's asking about the password. Simply I will enter my password again and hit OK. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video and helpful for you, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks.